From Uganda, Dinesh Nakarani 5 wickets 2 times. From Pakistan, Umar Gul 5 wickets 2 times. From Australia, Aston Agar 5 wickets 2 times. From Sri Lanka, Ajanta Mindus 5 wickets 2 times. From India, Kuldeep Yadav 5 wickets 2 times. From South Africa, Imran Tahir 5 wickets 2 times. From Oman, Amir Kaleem 5 wickets 2 times. From Botswana, Omar Maisuria 5 wickets 2 times. From Japan, Ryo Sakurna 5 wickets 2 times. From Argentina, Hernan Fenelli 5 wickets 2 times. From Malawi, Charlie 5 wickets 2 times. From India, Varun Chakravarthy 5 wickets 2 times. From Sweden, Zakir Takavi 5 wickets 2 times. From Bahrain, Rizwan Butt 5 wickets 3 times. From Malawi, Mojjam 5 wickets 3 times. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.